Hello dear learners, hope you are fit and fine. You can see our Ashika miss, and she was our kids teacher, spoken English teacher as well as IELTS teacher. She was a famous teacher at Liakat, but for her higher study purpose, she has to leave Bangladesh for a long time. So how was your journey at Liakat?
Okay, so it was amazing actually because technically speaking, it was my first job which I actually worked for 8 hours. I didn't actually work full time in any other offices before. So I think I learned a lot from the office and Liakat sir himself. He taught me a lot of things about how to deal with everything professionally, and also when it comes to the people who I worked with, my colleagues, they were really supportive. So I think I'll always be thankful to the place that gave me the opportunity to shine. So which is why I actually got known by many people over here. So thanks a lot, sir.